Hello students of Standard 7. Welcome to DAV Moil Public School. I am your English teacher Jagruti Mishra. Let's begin our today's online session of English. Today we will continue with the same lesson, A Stormy Adventure. Dear students, now let us quickly recapitulate what we studied till now. The story opens up with the journey of the ship MV Trishna towards Philippines. Vishal and his sister are also in the ship. Vishal's father is the captain of the ship. The ship is going to help the people of the Philippines. The Philippines fought a violent tropical storm. However, the story becomes exciting when violent waves come down on the ship. Due to waves, the ship begins to lurch. Rohini, as she is seasick, hides herself under the bedclothes. Vishal becomes unsteady and walks in a trembling way. The captain wants them to stay in route, but the situation becomes worse. The ship changes its direction. The captain ordered his crewmen to change the direction, though there is risk. Everything in the ship began to crack and roll here and there. Let's see what happens next in the story. The steel angle from the gangway has speeds the ship's side. Water starts pouring into the engine room. Captain Kumar immediately ordered to be alerted, yet there was every risk of ship overturning. As water gushed in, Vishal heard that attempts were being made to plug the leak, but with little success. Every time the plugs were pushed furiously back. The water level was now rising in the engine room. Pumps were put on to drain out the water, but even this was not effective. In Chief Engineer Bose was working feverishly in his boiler suit, made an urgent report to Captain Kumar. Captain, if we cannot stop the water level from rising within 10 minutes, the water will enter the machinery and and the engines will stop. Captain Kumar was now in panic. It was a suicidal to stop the engines in these weather conditions. It was imperative to do something possible to keep the ship moving. Meanwhile, Sparks transmitted an emergency signal about the danger to the ship. Vishal could feel his knees moving unsteadily. His knees were moving unsteadily because of fear. Suddenly, he reminded of a boating incident in Okla when he had felt similarity weak in the knees. The boat had developed a leak. As water gushed in, it had to be brought near the bank. They had all jumped out into the shallow water and the boat was tilted to expose the leak. This made it easier to plug. Vishal went urgently to his father. It was an excellent idea. Captain Kumar heard him in silence. He nodded quickly. You are right, my boy. It is very risky under the circumstances, as Trishna may even turn out. But it is the only way left. So, we will tilt the ship to expose the hole in her side. He was already barking sharp orders into the foam. Water in the bottom tanks was being shifted. In a short while, Trishna was leaned heavily down in the engine room. Water gushed in only at intervals now. Chief officer and his men made a wooden plug. This time, 5 people held it in position with all their might, and they blocked it with cement. At last, it held tight. There was a cry of relief as pumping operation began to dry out the engine room. That was a near one, exclaimed Captain Kumar as he stepped into the cabin some hours later, throwing off his raincoat. Vishal, it was your idea and it worked. Perhaps it has saved us. Latest weather report shows that Typhoon Elsie is moving anyway. The barometer is rising and the wind is reduced. And we all some rest. We can take some rest after having a violent beating, even though we are 12 hours late. He smiled weirdly at the children. Rohini was alright, her stomach ache was gone, but Vishal's legs were still wobbly. He had a very close eye with the storm, and he had a great tale to tell to his schoolmates in school. In a while, the dark storms of the islands of the South China Sea were loomed ahead, and the violent spirit, that is the typhoon of the sea, seemed to be soothed. The wind had died down as if by a miracle, and now indeed it would be a smooth sailing. So, a stormy adventure is a thrilling story. It gives us a view of the lives of the mariners. The difficulty they face is beyond imagination. Dear students, here we end the story. Dear students, here is an exercise for you to solve. Have a nice day, dear students. Thank you.